We truly believe in the potential of Indian startups and Indian founders, and supporting these startups is at the very core of what we do at Google for Startups.
Good morning, everyone. It is my absolute pleasure to welcome all of you today to the launch of Google for Startups Hub.
This is a new initiative to mentor, to curate the future-looking labs that can be the businesses for tomorrow.
I want Hyderabad to become a hub, not just for startups, but focus on unicorns. Use these resources, use these funds, and become the next Google.
The support that startups have. And again, it's really special to have a Google for Startups hub from a resource point of view, to have a space we can come and work and focus on actually building.
The ability to share the space with the researchers, with the sales, with the gurus from Google will help us to scale faster, will help us to think bigger, and will help us to innovate better. I do believe the next decade is Google's decade.
Really fun journey. It's obviously very difficult on days, but it's also really rewarding on others. And there's lots of people to sort of help you along the way. So just raise your hand when you need help. People like Google will step in and help you get there.
We're going to focus on giving AI-first startups the right tools, practices, and products to build their products from India for the world.